In the first episode we saw, two men on an island lived day by day catching one fish. One built a net, doubling output. They split roles, fishing and inventing, leading to trade, surplus, and eventually credit. Their simple system evolved into innovation, division of labor, and an early form of economy. But the problem, we're only beginning. Before watching this, I suggest you watch the first episode first. The net got too big, literally. One day the fisherman complained, "I can't haul this thing alone anymore." The innovator joined him for a few days, but things started breaking down. Deals didn't get made, nets weren't being fixed, and fish were being lost. The system needed help. That's when a stranger showed up. The new guy had a pitch. "Give me 2 fish a day and I'll run things. I'll hire help, coordinate the fishing, and take care of your trades." Sounded good. So the manager took his 2 fish, one to pay himself, one to hire an assistant. The fisherman trained the assistant, the innovator went back to building, and the manager took over all negotiations. But he didn't just follow the old rules, he made new ones. When a village used to pay 10 bananas for 10 fish, he asked for 12. And he told them something else too. "Fishing is getting harder. The sea's drying up. Better lock in your deals now." It wasn't exactly true, but it worked. Villagers panicked in a calm, barter economy kind of way and rushed to sign new contracts. The manager closed deals faster than anyone could track. The island now had a growing fishing operation, a small team, steady supply chains, and a trade surplus. They had created an economy, and it all started with one hungry man skipping fish for a day. On another patch of land, not far from the little island where the very first net had changed everything, there was a village. This one still stuck to the old model: wake, fish, eat, repeat. Each fisherman caught exactly 1 fish per day, just enough to keep himself alive. It wasn't fancy, but it worked. Then word spread. Apparently, on a nearby island, some guy had figured out how to catch 2 fish a day. Not just that, he'd traded extra fish for rice, hired help, built boats, and started a full-blown economy. This caught the attention of the village elders. They called a meeting and declared something bold. "Let everyone fish how they want. If you want to build, build. If you want to trade, trade. If you want to risk more, go for it. Just don't expect anyone to carry you." It was the first unofficial charter of capitalism, and things moved fast. Some villagers saved up fish and traded them for better tools, lines, hooks, even small boats. Others skipped fishing altogether and opened shops to dry, store, or sell fish. Fish became more than food. It became a unit of value, a store of wealth, a down payment on ambition. Soon, the best-equipped fishermen were hauling in 10 or 20 fish a day. They hired other villagers, 1 fish a day for labor. Some of those workers later struck out on their own. Others stuck with the steady paycheck. The system grew, so did the gaps. Some villagers still only caught 1 fish per day. Others couldn't fish at all. Meanwhile, a few sat on mountains of smoked fish and shiny tools. A council was formed, not to take control, but to keep promises enforceable. If someone agreed to trade 10 fish next week, they had better deliver. Reputation became the new currency, and the rules were simple. If you build, you earn. If you risk, you might win. If you slack, don't expect applause. But still, not everyone could play. The elderly, the sick, the unlucky, they fell through the cracks. A few were fed by charity, a few begged, a few simply vanished. The sea was booming. The market was loud, but not everyone had a voice. Come back next week for the 3rd episode, where we talk about socialism in fish economy. Do not forget to like and subscribe the video. Thank you.